let's look at these JAMB past questions, biology 2018. Question number 22. In the egg of a bird, the embryo is located in the A. Chalazar, B. Yolk, C. Albumen, D. Embryo disc. So where is the embryo located? So we all know from the sexual reproductive system in birds that the embryo is located in the yolk. And why is it that it is it is in the yolk? So when you check out the sexual reproductive system of birds, now you find out that the embryo is actually located inside the yolk. And why is that so? Because the yolk provides food, mainly proteins and salts and water, for the embryo. So it provides food. The yolk provides foods, and this food is actually mainly proteins and salts, and as well, apart from food, it also provides water. So that is what this yolk provides for the embryo, and that's why we say that the embryo is actually enclosed or is inside the yolk, so that the yolk can provide all these things for the embryo in order for it to continue growing into maturity before birth. Thank you.